Good morning everyone. Today we learn about the parts of the function. The first is function prototype, it is also called function declaration. It tells the compiler about the function before using it. That means here we have to declare the function before using it. It is usually written above the main function. Let us see its syntax. Return type, function name and parameter list. In the example, the int is a return type, add is a function name, and int a, int b is a parameter list. To understand it more clearly, let us see this example. This is the program of adding numbers. The first is a header line, it is hash include studio.h. The next line is void add numbers int n1, int n2, that is int number 1, int number 2. This line indicates the function prototype or function declaration. The next is function definition. It indicates the actual code or body of the function. It includes calculation, initialization, declaration of variables, etc. Its syntax is return type, function name, and parameter list. First, here we define the function and then inside the curly braces we return the function body that includes calculation, initialization of variables, and etc. To understand it more clearly, let us see this example. Here, the void add numbers int number 1, int number 2, it is the function definition, and inside the curly braces it is the body of the function, that is the actual code that is used to add the numbers. The next is function call. Once we define the function, we need to call it to execute the code inside the function definition. That means without calling the function, we cannot execute the code inside the function definition. So for executing the code, we need to call the function. Here, the syntax of the function call. It is function name and argument. Now we see what is actually happened in the function call. Here, a is 6 and b is 8. When the function call, the arguments inside the function call, that is a and b, are passes to the parameters inside the function definition, that is int number 1 and int number 2. After that, the statements inside the function body will be executed, like sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Here we add both numbers and then print the sum to show the output on the screen. Here the return statement return the value in the function, or it is also indicates the end of the function. Example, return a plus b. Here it returns the sum of a and b. Now we see the difference between parameters and arguments. Parameters are also called formal parameters. They are the variables in the function definition. In the above example, the parameters are int n1 and int n2 because they are the variables inside the function definition. Next, arguments. They are also called actual arguments. They are the values passed during the function call. That means here C 6 and 8. The value of A is 6 and B is 8. So 6 and 8 are the arguments inside the function call.